Welcome! In this video, we'll be looking at the class dashboard menu in My Missouri State. From the class dashboard, you can request and manage Blackboard courses and access your class lists for printing rosters, emailing students, and more. Let's look at how we get to the class dashboard. First, you will need to log into your My Missouri State portal. Navigate to the Teaching and Advising tab. Then, find the Rosters and Evaluation menu in the Faculty Services module. The class dashboard is the first option on this menu. When you click on the class dashboard link, you are taken to this menu. From the Options menu, select Blackboard. Let's get started by looking at how the class dashboard can be used with Blackboard. With the class dashboard, instructors can request to have Blackboard course shells created weeks in advance to get a jump start on designing their courses. Instructors can also request to have multiple courses combined into a single course, request a master shell, and manage course roles for a current semester course. Now that we have the Blackboard option selected, choose the term for the classes you want to view. From the Classes menu, select View My Classes. Then click Submit Search. Here you will see a list of all the courses you are scheduled to teach under the Banner's Classes tab. If you don't see a class that you are scheduled to teach, make sure that your department has entered you as the instructor of record in Banner. Your teaching assignments are not available in Class Dashboard until this is done. Go through the list of courses and select the checkbox to the left of each course that you want a Blackboard course shell for. Once you have selected all the courses you want Blackboard course shells for, click the Submit to Blackboard button. You will be prompted to select a Blackboard template for the classes you have selected. If you need help deciding which template to use, click the link for choosing a Blackboard template. If you don't select a template, the courses will use the default. Once your classes have been successfully created in Blackboard, you will see them listed under the Blackboard Classes tab. Courses are added to Blackboard within 2 to 4 hours, but it can sometimes take longer. If you still don't see your course after 24 hours, you can try again or contact the help desk for assistance. Another option that is available on the Blackboard Options page is to combine classes in Blackboard. There are many reasons why an instructor might want to combine classes in Blackboard. Teaching multiple sections of the same course, teaching both an undergraduate and graduate section of a course, and teaching cross-listed courses. The class dashboard makes it easy to combine one or more of your courses into a single Blackboard course. On the Banner Classes tab, select the checkbox to the left of the classes you want to combine in Blackboard. If your department uses cross-listing, you can look at the cross-listed groups column to see which of your classes have been cross-listed, and then select the boxes next to the courses with matching cross-listed codes. And now for a Blackboard tip. You can combine any of your classes in Blackboard, not just cross-listed classes or multiple sections of the same class. But keep in mind that your students will only be accessing the courses you make available to them in Blackboard. They might be confused by a Blackboard course that contains many different classes. Therefore, we don't recommend combining all the classes you teach into one Blackboard course. Remember, combined Blackboard courses contain the enrollments for multiple courses, so the Grade Center will list all enrolled students. There is no way to keep the different courses and their enrollment separate once they are in a combined course. After you choose the classes that you want to combine, click the Combine Classes in Blackboard button. You will then be asked to name the combined Blackboard course. You will want the name of the Blackboard course to be clear and easily understood by your students, so we recommend using the course name or course code as the combined course name, such as CRM 210, Intro to the American Criminal Justice System. The term code, such as Fall 21, will be added to the end of whatever name you choose, so you don't need to include it in the name. Next, select a Blackboard template for the classes you selected. If you don't select a template, the courses will use the default template. Then click Submit. Once your courses have been successfully combined, you can click on the Combined Classes tab where you will see confirmation that your new Blackboard course has been created. Also on this page, you can see that you have the option to add or remove CRNs. This means you can select the checkbox next to your combined course and either add another class to the combined Blackboard course or remove a class from the combined Blackboard course. However, please note that once you start adding content to a combined course in Blackboard, there is no way to separate that content into separate courses. If you remove a CRN from a combined course, the course content will remain in the combined Blackboard course, and the instructor must either copy it to a new Blackboard shell or build it from scratch in a new shell. The last option on the class dashboard allows instructors to request master course shells. On the Blackboard Options page, select the Master Shells tab to get started. For classes you teach frequently, master courses are like templates. You build your course content in the master shell on Blackboard and copy it to your semester course every time you teach that class. We strongly recommend the use of master courses instead of doing course copies from old semester courses to new semester courses. To create a new master shell, select the Create Master Course Shell button. Enter a course ID. This should be the course code such as CRM 383. Then, enter a course name with master the course ID, for example, master-CRM 383. You can also include the title of the course. Next, select a Blackboard template for your master shell. Then click Submit. From the Class Dashboard menu, you can click on the Master Shells tab to view your master shell once it has been created. It can take a few hours before you see the course on Blackboard. Now, let's take a look at how the Class Dashboard can be used to access a class list. From the Class Dashboard, you can print and save a class list, email your class, print and save an attendance, assignment, or photo roster, print and save a class report. You can print or view student grades. And from the class dashboard, the class list has improved access for mobile devices and increased compatibility with screen readers. From the class dashboard, select an option, choose Class List. Then, for term, select a term. Next, Classes, click View My Classes. Then submit search. Here you will see a list of your classes. To the right of your class, you will see an option to send an email to your students, to get access to an attendance sheet, to view a class report, or to view photos of your students. You can click either the CRN, course selection, or the title links to access your class list. Then the class information page will show. Thank you for joining us and taking the time to learn about the class dashboard. Your computer services team is here to support you, so if you have any questions, please reach out to the help desk. Have a wonderful day.